Hello viewers, welcome to DataSkills Academy, your gateway to mastering data. We unravel the complexities of data analysis and transform them into actionable wisdom. This is our comprehensive Power BI tutorial series, Power BI Basics, designed to take you from a beginner to a pro in creating powerful and insightful dashboards. Whether you're a data analyst, a business professional, or just curious about data visualization, you're in the right place. It's important to understand the Power BI ecosystem. It's a versatile collection of tools that work together to enhance business intelligence capabilities. The ecosystem comprises several components. Power BI Desktop, a free desktop app for creating reports and visualizations. The primary tool for data connection, transformation, and visualization. Power BI Service, also known as Power BI Online. This cloud service lets you publish, share, and collaborate on reports and dashboards, offering features for team collaboration and data refreshes. Power BI Mobile Apps, available for iOS, Android, and Windows. These apps allow you to access and interact with your Power BI reports and dashboards on the move. Power BI Report Server, an on-premises solution for hosting Power BI reports, ideal when cloud storage isn't viable. Power BI Integration Tools, this includes the gateway for data syncing, embedded services for analytics integration, and the API for task automation and customization, enhancing Power BI's connectivity and versatility. Throughout this series, we'll cover everything from the basics of installing Power BI to crafting communicating dashboards that narrate compelling stories. Over the course, you will learn how to import data, clean and transform data, create visualizations, design interactive dashboards, and publish comprehensive reports. Now, let's take a quick glimpse at what our Power BI Basics series will cover. This comprehensive tutorial series is structured to guide you through a range of essential topics. Here is the entire course outline. Installation of Power BI Desktop. Understanding the Power BI interface. Data importing from Excel. Data transformation and cleaning with Power Query. Creating relationships between tables. Building basic charts and graphs. Using slicers and filters. Creating complex visualizations like map, scatter plots, and waterfall charts. Using custom visuals from the marketplace. Using bookmarks and buttons. Publishing and sharing reports. Q&A and smart narratives. And end-to-end project demonstration using Power BI. Let me give you a sneak peek of what you'll be able to achieve upon completion. This dashboard is developed using Power BI. Through this course, you'll gain the skills to create something like this, a dashboard that not only looks professional, but also provides meaningful insights. If you've learned something new from this video and looking for tutorials to master the art of data, please give a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll learn installing Power BI Desktop and setting up your environment.